Hi, this is Bill Paskey with Proceed Software, and today's video is QuickBooks Integration. At Proceed Software, we make QuickBooks integration very easy. We automatically exchange data between the ERP system and QuickBooks using an API, so there's no programming required. The control of data is adjusted by switches, so you can customize the integration. And it's already working for hundreds of customers, so you're not the first customer to use this system. It's well vetted and working fine for other clients. If you use the QuickBooks integration, you can use the following tools inside of Proceed software. Things like inventory management, manufacturing management, MRP. You can manage customers and vendors. You can use the service module for service dispatch, contract and agreement management, the project management tools, and warranty and claim management. And all the time, keep your financials in QuickBooks. The QuickBooks integration is controlled through settings inside of the ERP system that allows you to adjust data flow between Proceed and QuickBooks, and you're allowed to adjust customer data, vendor information, items, and quantities within the system to achieve a customized data flow. If you're using QuickBooks and you use our integration, you can use Proceed software and all the other apps that bolt up to the software, including e-commerce websites, mobile apps, and a web-based employee portal. So if you're interested in knowing more about QuickBooks integration and Proceed software, please visit us online at proceedsoftware.com or send us an email, give us a phone call. Happy to talk about your specific business needs, and thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great day.